Hello, I'm Mark Kalix. I'm the proud owner of 1635 Aspen Meadows Street. I'm going to take you on the tour of the property, hopefully answer some questions during the tour, and make sure we get a closer look of everything this property has to offer. Let's get started. Since we're outside, let's take a look. We have a nice courtyard, nicely appointed courtyard, playground. And it's not noisy. A couple kids might play for 5 or 10 minutes. Front door, here we go. Let's enter the main living space. Okay, we are pet friendly, 1 pet per tenant. Big windows, lots of natural light, fresh furniture, television. This is the common living area. Kitchen, fully equipped. Dining room, cozy patio. And this is a 3-bed, 3-bath. This is the half bath. Staircase down to the garage. We'll talk about that more in a moment. Coat closet right here. Let's go upstairs and take a look. Price includes utilities, Wi-Fi. There are 3 bedrooms up here. This is the primary. It's currently rented as the making of this video. There's included washer dryer. Swing around here. Hello. There's a closet here in the hallway. Half the closet per room, these 2 rooms. Shared bathroom. There's 2 bedrooms. They're very similar. I'll show you this one. Nicely appointed. An eastern view. It's a little hazy today, but you can see quite far. Beautiful sunrises. Nicely furnished. Decent size closet, and there's ample storage under the bed as well. There's an additional level lower, and that has a garage and a mechanical room. And that garage, it's by seniority. Decent parking off street, and then there's plenty of on-street parking as well. If you want to know more, give me a call, shoot me an email. My phone number, 303-888-2955, and my email, chefmarkkalix@gmail.com. Happy to answer any questions. Leasing as little as 30 days, but I prefer a 3-month lease. And of course, I always welcome extensions as well for those of you that are looking for that. All right, I hope this helps, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Take care.